do I fumble so much? I don't know, but okay. For today's video, we're going to do a makeup video, obviously. Why do I have to say this every time I film a video? I don't know what it is. Hi guys, क्या हाल है? Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be another makeup video, and we'll try to do something different with basically the eye makeup, just to have a little intense look. And let's just see how that goes. And मैं बकवास बंद करती हूँ और makeup start करते हैं, right? So this way, whatever. Start by putting the moisturizer, Cetaphil का moisturizer है, and that is what I generally use. You would know it by now. Now I'll take my primer. This is Miss Claire का primer. Okay, so I'm just putting the primer, and हम basically पहले eye makeup से start करेंगे, because then all the fallout whatever is there you can basically remove it. And ये सब शायद आप सुनेंगे भी नहीं. I'll just fast forward this. So we'll just basically create the base for the eyeshadow to be applied on. So this is basically Fit Me ka concealer that I'm using, and I'm going to put it all over my eyelid. I'm going to blur as well. Take छोटा सा beauty blender, and we'll obviously wet it because तब अच्छे से blending हो पाती है. And now blend. So we've put the concealer, and we put a little bit of setting powder. I am taking a brush. This is Becca ka brush, and I'm taking Fit Me ka loose powder. I'm just putting this powder all over my eyelid. So we'll start with, okay, so what we're trying to do is we'll try to create basically crease line पे we'll try to create a wing, and then we'll just basically take forward आगे जो जो होता है. I'll just keep on telling you. So first we'll take, I'm going like, basically you will see, okay. So I'm taking NK makeup, and I'm going with this shade, and I'll just take a little and try to only place it on my crease in the form of a winged eyeliner. Now from the same palette, I'm going to take a red, and I'm going to mix it with the pink to basically highlight the entire piece. Now I'm going to take Makeup Revolution ka palette, and I'll basically go with a very light shade first. So I am going with Attract. Attract is the shade. Basically पूरा अच्छे से blend हो जाए, because we'll be placing more colors on it. Now we'll basically do cut crease, and we'll use this concealer wheel, and we'll take a very small brush because हमें थोड़ा definition चाहिए, and I'll take this shade basically, and भगवान का नाम लो और practice करना start करते. It's difficult, so इसलिए that's why I said that. So this is done. Then we can take the same brush, या brush change कर सकते हो, जो मन है. And then now we basically try to intensify the look edges पे. From the same palette, I'll take the shade which is Sweethearts, and I try to create like a transition. Then I'll basically take Nymph from the same palette and intensify the edges. And basically अच्छे से blend करना है ताकि it looks nice. एंड गोल यही है कि अच्छा लगना चाहिए मेकअप. तो जितना blend करना है ना करो, अच्छे से करो. वैसे बहुत टाइम है हमारे पास, राइट. तो हमें कहीं नहीं जाना. That's how it looks. So you can see the transition happening. I'll clean it extra whatever, and I'll do this eye off camera because obviously इतना टाइम मैं सामने बैठ के नहीं कर सकती इस जगह पे. So I'll do the rest of the makeup and then come back to the eyes because इनमें बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. Okay. I'll take the color corrector and put it all over my face. Now I'll take my beauty blender and obviously I'll wet it because वरना blend नहीं होएगा और हमें अच्छे से blend करना है. And the tool continues. चलो ये पास आउट हो जाएगा. I'm going to take foundation, Technical foundation. I'll take 2 pumps because that's what I take. I'll take the 2 pumps and I'll just put it all across my face. And blend. Now I'll use concealer stick. This is by Lakme, and थोड़ा सा अंदर में डालेंगे. Not a lot, like बहुत कम. I said come, but okay. Blend. Now I'll take Fit Me Ka loose powder and I'll just set my face. I will just fill the eyebrows with black color. Now I put a lot of mascara before putting my eyelashes. तो फिर eyelashes लगाने के बाद में mascara लगाएंगे because why not? Yeah, so now I'm going to basically put lashes. So I have lashes and this is the lash glue. And it's going to be a task like always, but yeah, we'll get through this. I don't know पहली बार में और आराम से eyelash लगाने में कब सीखूंगी, but we'll reach that soon. I put lots of glue. Thank you पहली बार में. And I goes nothing. Did it? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, I'm back and I put both the lashes and this is how it looks, man. I just feel that lashes just, just change the entire look. And I kind of like the look. खुद की तारीफ हम खुद ही करेंगे. And ये eyelash लगाना बहुत आसान है, so I'm just quite happy about that. I just dust off the access setting powder and इसके बाद ब्लश लगाएंगे, हाईलाइटर लगाएंगे और क्या होता है, oh we need a good lip shade and set कर देंगे and then we're done with the makeup. So right now straight into we go the blush. This is, I use this always. I take generous amount of blush and I put it on the hand. Sometimes I like to mix two shades also, so I took a lighter shade. Now from my Heligol palette, I'm going to basically take this dark shade, जो बिल्कुल खत्म होने वाला है, but still sometimes I like to blend these two. I take the highlighter and put lots of that. Oh wow. I forgot we need to put like basically false lashes or actual lashes को blend करने के लिए we put lots of mascara because why not? Looks kind of nice. And now I'm thinking कि inner corners को भी fill कर सकते हैं because they generally look really nice. So I think I'll take the same highlighter and highlighter लगा देते हैं. We will take very less. Now you can see. Wow, the instant glow. Right. A nude lipstick, my favorite. This is Conceal वैसे ही almond pink. And so I think my Lakme and will just put it. Wow. That's the look. I'll take a darker shade also and I'll just put it a little in the center and right. I'll just basically blend the two. And that's the final look and I really like it. I'll put the setting spray. I really like it. When do I not like something that I make? But it's actually nice. It's something different that I've tried. Cut crease kara and cut crease successful are so woohoo! And I really like it. Tell me what are your views about this makeup look in the comment section and like kar dena, share kar dena, subscribe kar dena. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.